In order to set up a new project, you want to select the Projects tab. This is the project status bar. The options are Show All Projects, Open Projects, which are projects that are currently under construction, Completed Projects, and Deleted Projects. The deleted project selection is kind of important because if you or someone on your team accidentally deletes a project, it will be filed under this section, so you can quickly recover it, similar to your recycle bin in Windows. To add a new project, select the Add New Project button. There are fields to capture information here about your project, but it's not required to fill out these fields. The choice is yours. The only fields that are required are the project name and the average labor rate. The average labor rate will be the same average labor rate that you use to estimate your project. The program will use this to convert hours to dollars for tracking labor costs against your project. Add a project name and your average labor rate. Then select Update and close the window. Your project will be added here. You have the option to edit your project, view the phases of construction once they're added. You can copy your project, rename it, and use it as a template for future projects, or to create alternate schedules, and you can delete it. In order to work with your project, click Select Project. Click the drop-down list and select your project you want to work with, then click Submit. Your project will appear here to let you know it's open.